It's extreme aviation trivia time. We've shared the list of the smallest aircraft in the world, and now it's time to tackle the biggest. Get ready to pit your aircraft knowledge against that of your fellow pilots as you discover how much you each know about the largest aircraft in the world. World's largest cargo plane. Until February 2022, the Soviet-era Antonov and 225M Mriya held the titles of both the world's largest operational cargo plane and the world's largest plane overall. The An-225 was a one-of-a-kind cargo aircraft originally built to transport the Buran spaceplane and Energia rocket boosters. Get your own mini replica of the Mriya, complete with a space shuttle perched atop. This massive plane was the heaviest ever built, with an empty weight of 314 tons, max takeoff weight of 710 tons, and the ability to airlift a record-setting payload of nearly 280 tons. The Mriya measured 275 feet long, 59 feet high, had a 290-foot wingspan, and was powered by 6 large Avchenko Progress D-18 turbofan engines. It has a wingspan of 197 feet 10 inches and is powered by 2 Rolls-Royce Trent 700 turbofan engines for a range of 2,600 miles at max payload. World's largest military aircraft. The U.S. Air Force's C-5 McDonnell Douglas KC-10 Extender is the world's largest fuel capacity tanker, with a payload of 52,250 gallons of fuel weighing 178 tons. At full cargo capacity, the KC-10 seconds range is 3,800 nautical miles. When not fully loaded with fuel, the C-10 can also be used to transport cargo and troops. The KC-10 is 181 feet long, 58 feet tall, and has a wingspan of 165 feet 4 inches. As large and capable as the KC-10 Extender is, the Russian Air Force's Antonov and 124 Ruslan is technically the largest military aircraft in the world. This smaller version of the one-off Mriya cargo plane is 226 feet long, 68 feet tall, has a wingspan of 240 feet, and can transport a payload of up to 165 tons. World's largest helicopter. The biggest helicopter in the world in terms of weight is the Mi-26 Halo. The Halo debuted in 1981 and is still in use for both military and civilian applications around the world. This massive helicopter is over 131 feet long and has an empty weight of 62,170 pounds. Its cargo area measures approximately 39 feet x 10 feet and can accommodate several vehicles, while the cabin can seat up to 80 military troop members with their gear or hold as many as 60 stretchers. The Halo is even strong enough to lift other aircraft and military vehicles.